If you type how to start affiliate marketing onto YouTube, you get a million different answers. It's TikTok, ads, AI. It is overwhelming. And today I'm going to simplify it. I'm going to draw the exact anatomy of a six-figure business on this whiteboard here. And there are only three parts, and I call it three pillars. And if you're missing any one, then you are broke. And also, I'm going to show you a new training that will help you build all these three pillars correctly. So let's talk about pillar number one. So the first thing that you need, the first pillar is the home base, right? You need to have a home base on internet. And this is your website. What most newbies do is they skip this step entirely and they just go ahead and use social media. And that is a mistake here, right? You need to send traffic to a place that you control. Right? You should have the control over that space. So yesterday I did a review of a product called Newbie Success Formula. Module 1 and Module 2 are dedicated entirely to building this home base properly and professionally. He teaches you the domain, the hosting and the setup, everything click by click. So you look like a pro in this online world and not a scammer, right? Now let's talk about second pillar here, and that pillar is the capture system. So the first thing is your home base, that is your website, and second is the capture system. And this is where, let's say this is a river here, this is a pond here, lake, whatever, right? And you are fishing, right? You are fishing, you have the rod, this is you here, right? And you're fishing and you are getting leads to your world here. And for that, you need to have a capture system, right? Whatever social media you use, like maybe Instagram, Facebook, whatever, right? YouTube, right? They should be sent to a page which is a system which will actually capture their email address here, right? This is your email address, and now you will have a database that is called your email list, and this is also something that you control. This literally is the bread and butter of online marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, any online business. Amazon has an email list. Every single marketer who is doing well have an email list, right? And why do you want this? Why do you need this? Well, 99% of visitors that visits a page just disappears. They are gone. Most of you make this mistake of sending them directly to a sales page, and it doesn't make any sense. Once you have their email, now you own their information. Now you can contact them whenever you want, and that is a traffic that you own, that you control. And we can call it like silent sales engine. Right? This is a sales engine that you need to build. So a home base and a capture system. And again, in Newbie Success Formula, in module 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, he shows you how to set up this automation so it sells for you 24/7. Now, this is the difference between a hobby and a proper functional business that makes you income, a steady, consistent income. All right. Now let's talk about pillar number 3, and that is the fuel, which is traffic. But notice one thing here, right? I drew the traffic part the last. But what most of you guys do is you start here, right? This is your first step. You try to get traffic before you even have the house, before you even have the capture system. This is like, pouring gas on the floor, like you're just wasting it instead of putting into a car and that starts to drive. And what a nice drawing here. But you get the point here. In Newbie Success Formula, he shows you exactly that, how to turn on traffic after you have built the entire system. And the name of this, this course here, this training here is Newbie Success Formula, which makes complete sense. Now, I actually want to give you a shortcut here. All right. So what's the shortcut? So if you see the drawing here, the pillar 1 is the home base, right? And the site takes a weekend, takes a couple of days for you to do. But it is a very important step that you need to do. You need to have a home base. But building pillar 2, that is the capture system, takes weeks for people. And why is that? It technically should only take few hours, but people don't know how to write emails. They don't know how to design an opt-in page that converts well. They don't know how to create the lead magnets. Heck, they don't even have an idea of an affiliate offer, what offer to promote. And so that's exactly why I have created this bonus, and I call it my Newbie Success Accelerator. And here, with this just one bonus alone, the automated affiliate machine, I am giving you 3 done for you squeeze pages. The all capture page system completed with 3 capture pages, 3 pre-sale bridge pages, 3 lead magnets, 21-day affiliate email sequence, all importable in just one click. You skip this second part entirely, this capture system, which newbies have the struggle, which newbies have the most struggle with. I should, use the red ink here. I give you this, and I also give you a way to get traffic, get high quality traffic with my other bonuses here. Plus, you already got the module of traffic inside Newbie Success Formula as well. So guys, stop making it complicated. Let me just go to black. So stop making it complicated. You just need 3 pillars, guys, 3 main pillars, and you will be able to do that in few days, like pillar 1, pillar 2, pillar 3. So once you complete those imperative steps, those are important non-skippable steps, you are ready to grow your affiliate business, and you're ready to make those affiliate commission that you dreamed of. So it's simple. You can click the link in the description below. You can, if you want, you can watch the in-depth Newbie Success Formula review video here, and you can get the blueprint from Kevin by clicking this button here, and you can get the assets from me as a bonus. All right, so let's build this. Click that link, go here, get it, and let's just get started. Stop finding shortcuts. Let's just build this properly this time, instead of going circle and circle, and build that steady stream of income that you always wanted. Okay, see you inside.